Okay, so we're going to get started. I have quite a lot of activities to do with you today because maths and numeracy is fun. Okay, so what I'd like to do is while we're thinking about, while we're working through our maths and our numeracy, we're remembering the theory that we covered last week. Last week was heavy on theory a little bit because we did Piaget and Vygotsky. And a lot of the activities we will do today come from the ideas of Piaget and Vygotsky, okay? So today is going to be the theory turned into practice. So first, let's think about what are developmental methods, okay? And this is the approach we will use to numeracy development and maths teaching. Okay, developmental methods.
فطبعا هي هذه الطرق المتطورة كيف احنا يعني شلون نواجه الأرقام وشلون نواجه هذه العملية.
Children make, for example, in the concrete, children could make square numbers and triangle numbers from coins. So imagine you are small children in a school, okay? So we're going to have some fun. And this shouldn't take us long, just with your coins. The challenge is more than one row and more than one column, and all rows are equal. Okay, everybody, our time is up. Our time is up. 2 rows of 6, 3 rows of 4. Vygotsky says use your language. The symbols in maths is getting kind of abstract. 12 equals 2 times 6 translates into maths language. From English language to maths language. From Arabic to maths language.
سراوين كل واحد 6 يصيرون 12. سراوين كل واحد 6 يصيرون 12. يعني 6 في 2 12. هذا التحويل من صورة إلى لغة، تحويل من صورة إلى لغة، والتحويل من لغة إلى رياضيات، إلى رقم. سراوين 3 سراوات من أبو 4 يصيرون 12. 4 في 3 12. واضح عندي؟ نعم. أكو سؤال؟ Any question?
Imagine that this is the number line all the way across. Okay, so we have 1, 3, and we'll put 3 pegs into the hole. 1, 2, 3. And let's just do as far as 4, because you get the idea. 10 plus 1 equals 11. But the child sees it by concrete and does it first. Could you pick a shape for me? Just one, please. Thank you. And could you pick a shape for me? Maybe one shape. Thank you. Okay, we have children. What number is this? 8. Well done. Good. And what number is this?
7.
7. Very good. 8. Take away 7. What's my answer? What am I left with? 1. And so on. Now this kit comes with many activity ideas on cards. There are many different ideas. So as a teacher, you just become familiar with it and learn the games. There's lots of games and things. Oh, it's very easy. 5 is easy. Yeah. And they see 2, 4, 6. Yeah, very good. They see it's quite easy too. They use their coloring pencils, make their own colorful, lots of color fractions wall. Okay, so this is first class.
Just to the half. No, I'm not 100% sure, but something like that. And then
you go up to quarters and thirds, maybe in seconds, so there'd be 9. And then all of these are for 10, 11, 12-year-olds when you get into the more complicated ones.
They can go a half, 50 to, and they can start here and go backwards as well when they are reaching concrete.
طبعا بعدين يتحولون الى النصف هو مساوي ل 50% وكذلك 0.5. اوكي وكذلك بدون يعكسون النظريه
7, 7, 10. Isosceles triangle. 2 sides are the same and one side is longer. I'm just showing you again a difficult concept. Make it concrete, then make a picture of it, then make it abstract. So we calculate this, then we calculate this, then we calculate this, then we put it all together and we start to check what is the volume of this.
We're going to spend a short time talking about play as a central methodology to learning. Play as a form of learning, so not drama, and some part of play involves games, but I'm going to talk about different forms of play, a range of play learning from different types of play, like pretend play, constructive play, fantasy play. So play in this context in Ireland is facilitated and it is accommodated very much in the classroom setting and outside. And it's important for us to be able to recognise and tap into what their play is telling us. What are the messages with their play? Whatever they like, and we can pick 1 or 2 from each group. If you want to give that to those for you, so you can see it a bit easier. Thanks. Pause. We'll start now. The boards are great. The boards are great. Yeah, it's very hard to see that one, yeah. The green is bad as well, is it? I have another one here, if it's any. Okay, thank you. Thank you, everybody. As you can see, each group needed to agree or disagree on what they were going to put on the board. There's a sense of cooperation required for this task, which is very important. And with working with groups of children, I think it's a very useful tool when you're trying to share and then select good information.
أن يكون مناسب لأعمار الأطفال المستهدفين.
Active play, yes.
يعني الحفاظ على سلامة الأطفال. واحدة أن يكون مناسب لأعمار
المثابرة والمبادرة. المثابرة والمبادرة. نعم واحد. المثابرة والمبادرة.
Of language with Vygotsky. Thank you. Thank you very much.